In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Figma to UI3. UI3 is Figma's refreshed interface, and in this walkthrough, we'll enable it in your browser using a simple Chrome extension so you can try the new look without changing your files or workflow. First, open your browser and head to figma.com. Having Figma open makes it easy to confirm the change as soon as we finish. Keep that tab handy, we'll come right back to it. Next, open the Chrome Web Store in a new tab. This is where Chrome extensions live. If you don't have it bookmarked, just search for Chrome Web Store and open the official store page. We'll use it to add a small helper that turns on the UI3 experience for Figma in Chrome. In the store's search bar, type exactly enable UI3 beta for Figma. You're looking for an extension whose purpose is to activate the UI3 interface on the Figma site. Before installing anything from the web, it's a good habit to glance at the description, ratings, and requested permissions so you know what you're adding. This one should be lightweight and focused specifically on toggling the new UI. When you've found it, click Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear. Approve it to finish installing the extension. Chrome will download it in the background and let you know when it's ready. With the extension installed, switch back to your Figma tab. The UI3 styling should apply automatically in the browser. You'll notice refreshed panels, updated spacing, and a cleaner visual hierarchy. Nothing about your files changes. The update is purely about the interface you interact with. If the new look doesn't appear right away, give the page a quick refresh. Also remember that this method affects Figma in Chrome. Other browsers or the desktop app may not reflect the change because they don't use Chrome extensions. Extensions can be turned off or removed later, so you can revert if you prefer the previous interface. That's it. You opened Figma, visited the Chrome Web Store in a new tab, searched for Enable UI3 Beta for Figma, and clicked Add to Chrome. In just a moment, you're exploring the UI3 experience directly in your browser. Take a few minutes to click around and pay attention to how common actions like selecting layers, inspecting properties, or navigating assets feel in the updated layout. Thanks for following along and enjoy working with Figma's UI3.